Happy Wednesday! Hi friends! Welcome to Whispers in the Moonlight. So windy. I'm out here by the lake. And it is so windy. But look at the water. The water level seems to be going up. It's so windy today. Mountaintops. All right, have a wonderful day and create your own happiness. It's a wonderful day to feel the wind and sun. If you're able to, get out there and feel it. And just enjoy your life. We are only here for a brief time. And we should be able to enjoy it as much as we can.